Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. I'd like to share with you some handmade embellishments that I made. They're super easy to make, you guys. I don't have a tutorial or a process video. You will see them in a bit if you haven't seen them in the thumbnail. Anyways, the process is pretty much the same as what I did with these ornaments. If you watched this video, I share the silhouette on how I made this. So I used a 2.25-inch circle for these ornaments, these right here. But to make the handmade embellishments that I made today in this video, the circle measures 2 inches, which you know that the actual circle is going to be slightly smaller. So I did use my punch and use a 3 3/4 inch punch to cut it out, and this is the result. So this circle measures 1 3/4, and this circle measures 2 inches. So there is a difference in size. I did want these to be smaller because I really wanted to use this die, which, in case you didn't know, Polkadoodles does have dies, and I will link them down below. I will link their dies, and I will also have a direct link to this die itself. And here, this is what it looks like. And I did cut it out just to show you what that looks like. This is just a leftover piece that I had. And then I also added another layer, which is this die that I have from my stash. This is not Polkadoodles. So, right, so now let me share with you the embellishments I made. So here are my embellishments, you guys. And as you can see, all I did was just layer the 2 snowflakes. Then behind this circle, I layered a scallop circle. And then, oh, and then all of them have, like, I edged it with some black gold marker that I have, and that's what I did with all of them. And it is really, these are really simple to make, you guys. It's just, you know, as you can see, a lot of die cutting, which I don't mind at all because I do love using my dies. So these are more like these softer color ones, and then I made some more traditional colors. Now this one has 2 of the snowflakes, 2 of the Polkadoodles, and then 1 of these, so you can see the difference of the look that gets. And here's a better one. And I used, as you can see, a lot of glitter paper, you guys. Oh my gosh, I just love using glitter paper. It's so pretty and sparkly, and of course the images are just adorable, you guys. I really love these images. And again, this is using the Polkadoodles collection, Winnie White Christmas. Winnie is my favorite character from Polkadoodles. I think she is just adorable. And I will have a direct link to the whole collection because I honestly think it is a must-have, because the whole collection comes with the papers, with the pattern papers, with, it comes like flowers, it comes with presents, it comes with ephemera, it comes with additional images. Like, you can just cut out, or you just use the bear by itself, as well as the dog, and there's a penguin and a cat. Oh my gosh, it comes with so much stuff, you guys. I highly recommend this collection. It has a lot of stuff in it, in case you don't already own it. These are my really simple embellishments, super easy to make, you guys. All you got to do is just layer, add some dimension. As you can see, I did use 3D foam squares that I have from my stash, and I layered it, and that's it. These are ready for me to package them up. If I have time, I will share with you how I plan to package them up, because these are supposed to be sets of 3, and this is how I'm going to gift them. Alright, so I decided to make another video. So I am back to share with you on how I packaged these handmade embellishments, and I think they came out really cute, you guys. They are kind of long, so my idea was to package 3 in a package, but I didn't want them to be squared. I wanted it to be long, just like this. And it was hard to find bags this size. I have a lot of bags, and I thought I had some that were long, but they were too narrow for each of these embellishments to fit in. So what I did was I got one of those protector sheets, and the ones that I have, I just chose something cheap. I have these from Dollar Tree, and all I did was cut it down the middle and then use my fuse tool to seal the ends. So here's my fuse tool. So all I did, like I said, was just fuse it down the middle and then, you know, cut it. So I was able to get 2 from each package. Look how cute these look. Now this is just a back topper from my stash. And then of course I already shared with you these embellishments, and then I cut out another snowflake and then I added it to each of the tops. I kept the top really simple, and I just added like a word sticker. This one says Jingle All the Way, White Christmas, which you know that this is using the Winnie White Christmas from Polkadoodles, and this one that says Oh Joy. How adorable are these? Alright you guys, so now I am done with my video. I hope you've enjoyed it, and let me know what you think in the comments. Thank you so much for watching. Bye everyone.